So, you've taken the plunge and signed up for an Acorn account. Congrats! You're officially on your way to growing your wealth, one spare change roundup at a time. But now the burning question is, how long does it actually take for your account to be approved? Let's dive in and find out. I know what you're thinking. You're probably sitting there, tapping your foot, refreshing your email every 5 minutes, wondering if your account is ever going to be live. Trust me, I've been there. It can be a real nail-biter. But don't worry, I'm here to shed some light on the situation. Generally speaking, Acorn aims to verify and approve accounts on the same day. That's right, you could be investing your spare change in no time. But, as with most things in life, there are a few factors that can influence this timeline. First off, let's talk about the information you provide during the sign-up process. Acorn needs to verify your identity, so make sure you're entering everything accurately. Any inconsistencies or missing details can cause delays. So, double-check your name, address, social security number, and any other information they require. Another thing to consider is the type of account you're opening. Different account types might have different verification processes. Some might require additional documentation, which can add a bit of time to the approval process. Now, let's talk about what happens if your account isn't approved right away. Don't panic. Acorn will usually send you an alert if there's something missing or incorrect. They'll guide you through the next steps to get your account verified. So, what should you do while you wait? Well, why not take this opportunity to learn more about investing? There are tons of resources out there, from books and articles to online courses and webinars. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. And remember, patience is a virtue. It might feel like forever, but the wait will be worth it. Once your account is approved, you'll be on your way to building a brighter financial future. But what if you're still waiting after a few days? Don't hesitate to reach out to Acorn's customer support. They're there to help, so don't be afraid to ask questions. To sum it up, Acorn aims for same-day account approval, but it can take longer depending on the information you provide and the type of account you're opening. Stay calm, be patient, and if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorn's support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy investing!